Okay, so I just want to give you this very quick demo overview of Launchrr. So we're here inside the members area at Launchrr, and there is my launch partner and student, Nella Fernandez. And this is very important, what he says here in his introduction. Someone who has been on the path you are on not too long ago. And that is exactly right, because up until the time that Nella became one of my own academy students, he had never launched a product before, never. And now he is launching products regularly in exactly the way that we are teaching you how to do on this course. And Nella is now, you know, showing you as a case study, a long case study, exactly how he's replicating what I've taught him to be able to bring out products, you know, once or twice a month. And that is the key to all of this, folks. Yeah, it's all very well promoting other people's products, and that is absolutely fine. It'll earn you commissions, but nobody that's ever made serious money in this business, I'm talking about those people that have earned 100,000 in a year plus, yeah, the 6K affiliate marketers, and obviously 7K and so on. But anyone that has ever achieved six figures, I'm not aware of anybody, and I mean really not one single person, that has ever done that without launching their own products. It has to be part of the mix. People are often put off by doing it because they think it's too difficult, it's daunting, they think that they won't have any ideas. All of that is complete rubbish, by the way. It's actually dead easy. I'm one of the least creative people and one of the least technical people out of all the affiliate marketers and super affiliates out there. You know, nothing comes easy to me when it comes to technical stuff or designing stuff. Yes, I can write a bit, so, you know, sales copy is one thing that I don't have to outsource. But apart from that, you know, I know absolutely nothing about this stuff, or at least I did when I first started. So if I can do it, and if I can teach other people to do it, then literally anybody can do it. So let's have a quick look inside the members area. There'll be an additional welcome video from me in here as well, which hasn't been added yet. But we've got an overview of the system, you know, which is basically going to show you how all of this fits together. And then the rest of this, let's just, there we go, yeah. So we're going to show you how to put a product together from start to finish, how to create obviously the sales pages, how to list it on Warrior Plus or whatever other platform you want to sell it on, how to create the members area for people to access after they've bought it from you. And then we're going to talk you through how to plan to launch your product easily. Then there's two different methods in here as well that you can use, and then we just got a final video, and your bonuses you will find delivered in there as well. And that is pretty much it, folks. That is all there is to this. Lots of people try and complicate product creation. You know, I think most people would rather that you think that product creation has to be something that's part of a big mentorship course. Now, yes, I offer product creation as part of my Elite Academy, but I actually go further than that, because I actually launch with my students, you know. So as part of the package, they actually get to do a product launch with me in the same way that Nella is doing now. That's one thing. But basic product creation, you know, you do not need to spend $2,000 to go on a high ticket course to be able to learn how to do that. And super affiliates would rather that you did pay out the 2K, because obviously they want the high ticket, income, the high ticket commissions. And so I think a lot of people try and create this air of mystery around product creation as if it's like the most advanced thing that you can possibly do as a marketer, and it has to be something that you have, you know, weeks and weeks of training in. And there are courses out there, some of which I'm a member of and some of which are actually really good, but which do go on for ages and ages teaching product creation, you know, like a 52-week course in product creation I've taken before, believe it or not. And that was obviously as in-depth as you could possibly go. And yeah, if you want like ultra advanced training, by all means pick up something like that. But if you just want to know how you can quickly and easily churn out products over and over again with the minimum of effort, then just pick up a copy of Launchrr for way less than that, folks. You know, pay less than $20 instead of paying thousands and thousands of dollars, and you will still learn pretty much all the basics that you need to do with product creation. So that's it, folks. You know, this isn't a heavy sales pitch. This is the inside of Launchrr. Pick up a copy, and myself and Nella will see you on the inside.